Today I am making broccoli tofu rice plate. Broccoli considered a very valuable food by the Italians since the Roman Empire. It is a cold weather crop arrived in North America by Italian immigrants. When introduced in England, it was referred to as an Italian asparagus. So let's get started. Today I am making a healthy plate. Simple step, that's the goal on my slate. First boil broccoli till it's soft, let it cool, don't rush it off. Into the mixer the florets go, add some cheese, blend it slow. In a pan take chopped bell pepper and spring onions and toast them light. Pour in the broccoli sauce and let it simmer till it's cooked right. Let's prepare the tofu next. Marinate with rice flour, sesame seeds, chili flakes, lemon juice and pan toast till it's crisp. Our superfood meal is ready. Broccoli heals, keeps the heart strong, boosts immunity all day long. Tofu rich in protein, light on gut, and packed with nutrients. So let's start the meal, no time to wait. A superfood plate that tastes so great.